these carbohydrates get converted into starch and sugar. It is a sweet juice called sap. The sap is carried to the stem through the veins found in the leaves. ये जो स्टेम है वो कैरी करता है इस स्वीट जूस को, सैप को, और वो वेन्स तक पहुंचाता है लीव्स के। और ये जो वेन्स हैं स्टेम से होते हुए कैरीज करते हैं डिफरेंट पार्ट्स लाइक रूट्स, बर्ड्स, फ्लावर्स एंड फ्रूट्स तक। ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस प्लांट रिलीज ऑक्सीजन, the vital gas for sustaining life on the earth. So photosynthesis not only necessary for plants, it is also very important for human survival, because after the photosynthesis the byproduct released from the oxygen, which is very essential gas for human survival as well as for the whole earth. Plants cannot make their food in the absence of sunlight. It is also important to note that कि बगैर सनलाइट के प्लांट्स अपना भोजन नहीं बना सकते, सो दे डू नॉट मेक फूड एट नाइट। इन फैक्ट दे गिव कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एट नाइट। इन रिटर्न ऑफ giving oxygen to atmosphere, plants release carbon dioxide at night. That is why it is advised not to sleep under trees at night. Some plants such as croton have colored leaves. Do these plants also carry out photosynthesis? The leaves other than the green also have chlorophyll. Okay, the large amount of other pigments mass, it means there are several pigments in plants present which shows different colors of the leaves. These leaves carry out normal processes of photosynthesis. Some plants like cactus have no leaves, they have thorns and spices. They also have thick green stems. The stems contain chlorophyll and they also carry photosynthesis. You might have seen patches of green substances in ponds or other stagnant water bodies. These patches are called algae. They contain chlorophyll, so they can also prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. अब synthesis of plant food other than carbohydrates. You know that plant make their food in the form of carbohydrates. हम सभी जानते हैं कि प्लांट्स अपना जो भोजन बनाते हैं वो कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स के फॉर्म में बनाते हैं। और कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स क्या है? अ कंपाउंड ऑफ हाइड्रोजन है, शुगर है। एंड द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज C6H12O6. Here C refers for carbon, H refers for hydrogen and O refers to oxygen. These elements are also used to synthesize other components of food such as fats and proteins. But proteins contain nitrogen. From where do these plants get nitrogen? It is important to note that how plants get nitrogen. We have earlier studied that plants cannot take in oxygen directly from the atmosphere. Soil has certain bacteria that convert that atmospheric nitrogen into a usable form and release it into the soil. This soluble form is used by the plants along with the water. Farmers also add fertilizers to give nourishment through nitrogen to the soil. In this way, plants get nitrogen. They use this nitrogen to make fats and proteins. Leguminous plants such as pulses plants have nitrogen fixing bacteria in their root nodules. It is already present in their root nodules. This bacteria is called rhizobium bacteria. They trap atmospheric nitrogen and provide it to the plants. Here the root nodules of the leguminous plants. Now these are the activity which you have to perform to show that the light is necessary for the photosynthesis, to show that the chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Another is to show carbon dioxide necessary. All these are some of these you may try at home, and you can easily show the changes through these activities. You can do this activity at your home. Now, importance of photosynthesis. It is also important that plants processes of making food is called photosynthesis. Then there are certain importance why photosynthesis is so important. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फोटोसिंथेसिस इज द ओनली प्रोसेस, यही एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसके द्वारा प्लांट्स अपना भोजन बना सकते हैं, बिकॉज ये सोलर एनर्जी को कन्वर्ट करते हैं केमिकल एनर्जी में और फूड को फॉर्म करते हैं. आप ये सोच सकते हो कि लाइफ अर्थ के ऊपर बगैर फोटोसिंथेसिस क्या पॉसिबल है? आई ऑलरेडी टेल यू that life is not possible on the earth in the absence of photosynthesis. It is not only important for plant, it is only important for plant and human survival also, because by using this process plants not prepare their food only, they also provide a vital gas called oxygen, which is used for all living beings. In the absence of photosynthesis, there would not be any food. The survival of living beings directly or indirectly depend upon the food made by the plants. Beside oxygen, which is essential for the survival of all living beings, is released during photosynthesis. And in the absence of photosynthesis, life would not be possible on the earth. Other modes of nutrition in the plants are, and the other modes of nutrition in plants are excluding autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The other nutrition are saprophytic, parasitic, symbiotic, insectivorous. You all have learnt earlier that saprophytic nutrition. What are saprophytes? The mode of nutrition in which organisms take in nutrition from the dead and decaying matter is called saprophytic, and the organisms which derive their nutrition through this mode are called saprophytes. Sapro means decaying matter, and plant that use saprophytic mode of nutrition are called saprophytics. Mushroom, yeast and mold are common examples of saprophytes. They constitute a separate group of non-green plants. इनके पास एक सेपरेट ग्रुप होता है जो कि नॉन ग्रीन प्लांट्स होते हैं, जिनको हम फंगी भी बोल सकते हैं, क्योंकि फंगी नॉन ग्रीन है. दे कैन नॉट कैरी आउट फोटोसिंथेसिस, वो प्रिपेयर नहीं कर सकता अपना फूड फोटोसिंथेसिस के हेल्प से. दे सीक्रेट ए स्पेशल एंजाइम ऑन द डेड एंड डिकेइंग मैटर एंड कन्वर्ट इनटू अ सॉल्यूशन, and after the solution is made they absorb nutrition from it. And fungi usually grow in hot and humid weather and they spoil many things like pickles, leather, clothes, fruits and sometimes crops. The fungal spores are generally found in the air. When they come in contact with wet and warm things, they germinate and grow. Fungi are not always harmful. Some fungi like mushroom and yeast are useful. Mushroom are good source of proteins also. Yeast are used in bakery to make cakes. Penicillin, the wonderful drug, comes from a fungus. पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन क्या है? ये तो मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन होता है ऑर्गेनिज्म के, ये न्यूट्रिशन लेता है फ्रॉम द बॉडीज ऑफ अदर ऑर्गेनिज्म. इट्स कॉल्ड पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन.